How to create a YouTube channel. Here's a comprehensive and in-depth tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel. Introduction: Creating your YouTube channel. YouTube is a powerful platform for sharing content, building a community, and reaching a global audience. This tutorial will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your own YouTube channel. Step 1. Sign in to YouTube. 1. If you already have a Google account, you can use it to sign in to YouTube. If not, create a new Google account. Step 2. Access YouTube Studio. 1. Once signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select your channel. 2. Click on Create Channel to start setting up your new channel. Step 3. Choose a channel name. 1. Choose a name that reflects your content and brand. This name will be associated with your channel and displayed publicly. Step 4. Customize your channel. 1. Add a profile picture, usually your logo or a personal photo, and a channel art banner that represents your brand visually. 2. Write a channel description that briefly explains what your content is about and what viewers can expect. Step 5. Add channel sections. 1. Organize your channel by adding sections, such as uploads, popular uploads, and playlists. 2. These sections help visitors navigate your content more easily. Step 6. Upload videos. 1. Click on the Upload button to start adding videos to your channel. 2. Select the video file from your computer and add a title, description, and relevant tags. 3. Choose a thumbnail that captures viewers' attention. Step 7. Optimize video details. 1. Write a compelling video title that accurately reflects the content and includes relevant keywords. 2. Craft a detailed video description that provides context and encourages engagement. 3. Add tags that are relevant to your video to improve discoverability. Step 8. Create playlists. 1. Organize your videos into playlists based on common themes or topics. 2. Playlists make it easier for viewers to navigate your content and binge-watch related videos. Step 9. Customize channel layout. 1. Access YouTube Studio's customization options to choose how your content is presented on your channel page. 2. You can arrange sections, featured videos, and playlists to create an inviting layout. Step 10. Engage with your audience. 1. Respond to comments on your videos to foster a sense of community and engagement. 2. Encourage viewers to subscribe and turn on notifications for your channel. Step 11. Promote your channel. 1. Share your videos on social media platforms and relevant online communities. 2. Collaborate with other creators to cross-promote and expand your reach. Step 12. Consistency is key. 1. Upload content consistently to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. 2. Establish a posting schedule that you can realistically maintain. Conclusion: your YouTube journey begins. Creating a YouTube channel is an exciting step towards sharing your content, connecting with viewers, and building a loyal community. By following these steps, optimizing your videos, and engaging with your audience, you're well on your way to growing your YouTube channel and making a meaningful impact in the online world. Remember that success on YouTube takes time, dedication, and continuous improvement.